वक्त हाया सोफिया में आया हुआ हूँ। ये बहुत प्यारी जगह है। I am right now in Turkey, Istanbul. Here is Mosque, and at that side it is Hagia Sophia, and it is very good to visit both places. I like that. I also tell about the Islamic culture, and I said my friends to come over here. They said me that they would also come, and we had a lot of fun by visiting here. Thank you.
والله ليش ايمان السما